wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best massage oils. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, Elemis De-Stress is touted as silky smooth and removable with soap and water, making it ideal for professional settings where clients have to clean up quickly after a session. A combination of active plant extracts gives this formula a distinct and pleasant fragrance. It doesn't leave behind a greasy residue and is unlikely to cause breakouts. However, note that it may stain fabrics. At number 9, Badger Deep Tissue is scented with ginger and contains antioxidants, vitamins and fatty acids, which makes it a good selection for long therapy sessions. It dispenses the perfect amount with every pump, ensuring a mess-free experience. It's infused with arnica montana flower and promotes muscle relaxation, but the warming sensation is short-lived. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Kama Sutra Tranquility Kit lets you experiment with 5 subtle appealing fragrances, including sweet almond and rose, which soothe the senses and may help calm sore muscles. The large openings in the caps don't clog, and it comes with a carrying bag. However, some of the scents are rather similar. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for massage oils, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Isabel Fay Natural is rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, B1 and E, all of which combine to nourish and revitalize the skin. As a moisturizer, it's suitable for everyday use by those suffering from chronic dryness or flakiness. There are 2 size options, both glycerin and paraben-free, but the small size doesn't last long. Moving up our list at number 6. New York Biology Rosemary is reasonably priced and ideal for adding a few drops to your bubble bath. It's made with extracts of avocado, grapeseed and sage. It has a lightweight feel and doesn't congeal. However, the scent is a bit on the strong side. Halfway up our list at number 5. Molivera Organics Fractionated is just as calming as it is affordable. You can use this versatile choice to spot treat patches of dry, cracked skin, or simply as your daily moisturizer. It's safe for hair too. It may reduce fine line wrinkles and won't stain fabrics. It comes in a BPA-free bottle. At number 4, weleda arnica consists of a rich blend of ingredients, including sunflower and birch oils, aromatic lavender and rosemary essences, and various flower and leaf extracts with soothing properties. It's perfect for use after athletic activity. The fragrance is not overpowering, and it's available in multi-packs. It may reduce inflammation. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Bustling massage parlors or busy traveling masseuses may wish to invest in a gallon-sized container of biotone revitalizing. It's unscented, free of parabens, and even more affordable when purchased in bulk. It's made with nut oils and not too thick or thin. It's rich in vitamin E. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for massage oils, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if maintaining a youthful appearance is one of your primary beauty concerns, then check out Maple Holistic Sweet Almond. It's designed to turn the clock back by bumping up collagen levels and improving dermal elasticity. It's made with animal-friendly ingredients and no artificial chemicals. It promotes nail strength too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, with the PlantLife Aromatherapy 3-pack, you can choose whichever option suits your client or your mood. The Sore Muscle blend is crafted to release physical tension, while the Relax and Lavender fragrances may help calm frazzled nerves. It's a good value for 12 ounces and glides smoothly over skin. It doesn't need to be reapplied often. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for massage oils, or simply click beneath this video.